Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to a stream. Welcome to our stream, guys. Um, we're about to get started just now. Let me just turn off this background music. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream, guys. Let's see how many people we got on here. So let's see what's going on. Welcome, guys, to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. It's Saturday. You guys know over the weekend we have three. Um, what am I saying? Over the weekend we can trade the RIV, the volatility indices. They're very good, very powerful, very volatile instruments to trade. They're available over the weekends, which is good for some of the people who can't trade during the week. Okay. So on the screen right now, guys, we actually have three indicators working at the same time. Okay. So I'm just going to direct you to the different indicators that are on here. Okay. So um, we have the signals dashboard, right? Which is this one, which is the one here at the bottom, okay? The one at the bottom with the different signals. You see this panel at the bottom, that's the signals dashboard. And part of the signals dashboard are these levels on the chart, okay? So that's the first indicator, right? And then I've also uploaded a demo indicator of our momentum meter, okay, the one that measures the buyers and sellers in the markets on the top right of the screen. So if you want that one, guys, just get into the Telegram channel. The link, not even the link, the actual file is in the group, so you can actually just download it, install it to MetaTrader 5. You can install it to MetaTrader 5, and then just go ahead and start checking it out. Okay, it's going to be available for a few days, guys. So just make sure that you jump on the opportunity to see how it works. Okay, so basically what it does, it just shows you how many buyers and sellers are in the market at any given time. Okay, so obviously the logic is if there's more buyers than there are sellers, you're looking for buyers. If there are more sellers than there are buyers, you're looking for sell trades. Okay, very simple. So when we combine it with our trading system, it just becomes a lot easier for us to get like very, very high quality trades. Okay, and then here you see where my block is right now. We have this. This is actually the what do you call the lot size calculator, basically. Okay, it calculates the lot size. It can help you calculate the lot size, and then it also gives you the minimum lot size for the instrument that you're working on. Okay, because on synthetic indices, guys, they don't all start on 0.01. They move on, some of them start on zero point 0.5, like boom 150 index. So if you don't have that information in front of you, it just becomes a waste of time trying to open up and see which lot size is the one that you guys need to use. Okay, so this is just helping us to basically get the correct lot sizes so that we can move much quicker, guys. We don't need to spend more time than we need to. Okay, we want to get the correct trades, guys. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's just keep going. So basically, what's the strategy? What are we trying to look at today, guys? Okay, so firstly, we're going to look for trades where obviously the dashboard indicator is telling us to buy and sell, where it can clearly show us the signal on the chart. Okay, like what you see right now on boom 150 index. You can see that we've got our entry price, we've got stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. And furthermore, as a confluence, guys, today, right? Because we've got extra tools on here, we're also going to look at the buyers and sellers meter, the smart meter, the MarketFlow smart meter. If the buyers or the sellers have a lead of more than 20%, that's a good trade. Okay, so like what we're seeing right now, the dashboard indicator is telling us that this is a buy, and then the smart meter is telling us that the buyers are in more control of the market, right? So we're basically, these are the trades that we want to be taking. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead for that trade, open up a buy trade right there and used TP1. Let's just go for TP2 or TP3. I'm going to go for TP2 right there. Okay, so some of these guys, some you might need to open up a bigger lot size, and you'll only know once you actually open up the trade, guys. Okay, because you will see the minimum lot is 0.5, but when you open up the trade, the stop loss hit gives you like $5. We're not trying to waste time, guys. Okay, but anyways, um Boom 150 index on the H1 chart. You know, this is something that's also tradable on a small account. Okay, so I'm opening up a few more trades just so that my risk to reward just is meaningful, guys. I don't wanna waste time, you know. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, here's another example of a trade. This is Boom 500 index on the H1 chart. As you guys can see, the dashboard indicator has given us a sell signal right there. You guys can see that our entries right there, our stop loss up here, TP1, TP2. You guys know how this thing goes. TP1, TP2, TP3, and we can see on the buyers and sellers meter, we can see that the sellers have more control. They're in more control of the market. You guys can see that they're clearly dominating the market with 61% sellers, right, over buyers. You guys see that? So that means that there's an imbalance in the market and we are going down. Okay, so then if we open up a trade, the minimum lot size is 0.2, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead. I usually, when I open up trades, guys, it's usually just like 10 times, like 10x the minimum. Okay, so that I get a meaningful risk to reward. Okay, so this one also can be tradable on. Just make notes, guys. Okay, just make notes so that you know you get better in future, right? You get better as you execute trades. Okay, so just note it down, right? So Boom 150 index is something that you can trade with a small account, even on the higher time frames, because the pip value isn't that bad. Even with the 1.0 or 2.0, you know, you're not risking a lot. Okay, so just note this down. You need to know the different instruments that you can trade with less capital. That's very important, especially if you're serious about growing in trading. Okay, so let's keep going. So Boom 500 index, I got on the H1 chart. I'm going for TP2. We got a sell entry right there. Sellers are dominating this market, so then we're selling. We're very confident about this trade, so we're gonna keep going. So let me see what else is there. So this was Boom 500. Let's see what's happening on the Boom 900. Let's see if it's gonna give us joy. Let's see. Okay, I got a lot of things happening on my. Ooh, let's see. So this is Boom 900 index giving us the same thing. We've got a buy signal on the dashboard indicator and the buyers are in control. So I'm going ahead and opening up that trade. Guys, you see how quickly I'm deciding to opening up trades, guys. This is how quickly you decide, okay? No time wasting, we're just executing. Wait, let me just see. I can't really see your comments, guys, okay? I can't really see your comments. Somebody says, I'm finding it difficult to install the demo on Telegram. I got the V8 indicator, but the meters on my chart. Okay, guys, so the market the smart meter isn't part of the V8 indicator. Okay, it's a separate indicator. That if you wanted, you're gonna have to purchase it. Okay, but right now we do have a free demo version that you can use. Okay, so it's gonna be available to use for about the next 3 days. Okay, so it's in the group, so you can just freely just download it and install it. Okay, then you can have it as well. Okay, so just download it, add it to the charts, and then you're gonna be good. All right, I can't really see the chat, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be jumping back and forth between the charts. Okay, so I'm going to be moving from my MetaTrader 5 and then I'll be jumping to YouTube just to see your comments, but I won't see them like fast enough. Okay, so today I'm just using one screen, guys. I'm using one screen, so let's keep going. So that was Boom 900. You see, guys, so we looked at quite a few charts right now and already we've got signals. Okay, no confusion, no hassle. We know exactly what's happening in the market. That's the purpose of these different indicators, guys. Okay, so if you want to get these indicators, just reach out to us or just click the link in the description, and then you're going to be able to see. You're going to have access. Just ask for more information, and then we'll hook you up. Okay, so currently right now the dashboard indicator is on special. I've increased the promo duration, so if you guys want it, you can still get it for the promo price. And then for those of you guys who are in the
a VIP channel, you also get a discount on the smart meter as well if you want it. But right now there is a free demo on it, so you can just go ahead and just download that. You know, everybody has access. I think I posted it on all our uh, Telegram channels. Okay, so you can just download it, install it, use it. Okay, so I'm moving. You guys see that right now already. The Boom 900 index is going up. I mean, guys, how many people do you know right now on TikTok or on YouTube who's live trading the synthetic indices on the H1 time frame, guys? Crazy, isn't it? Consistently, like I do, guys. Okay, you know what I mean. So let's keep going. So basically, we had a trade on the Boom 150, Boom 500, Boom 900. Let's see if we want to get the same consistency on the Boom 1000 index. Okay. Okay, no. Boom 1000 index. We not good there. We gonna skip that. Okay. We're not getting like that. But let's keep going, guys. Okay. So basically, the way you execute on this, guys, right? If you go on a chart and it's not giving you what you want, you just move on to the next chart because we have many signals right now. Okay, so the indicator has picked up 34 signals, right, out of these 68 markets that I've loaded. Okay, it already picked up 34. There's just too much. So you, as a manual trader, you want to go in, assess if this is a good trade or not, if it's a good entry based off of the rules, and then just execute based like that, based off that. Okay. So let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's see if we can't get something. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. This train is moving, guys. This train keeps moving. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Okay, I'm gonna shout when I see a trade. I'm gonna shout when I see a trade. So let's see. That's jump 20, jump 10. Let's go to jump 25. Let's see what's going on. And another tip for you guys. Okay, another tip for you traders. Like when we are looking for trades. Okay, we want trades that are fresh. So your one bar trades, okay? Like if you look at the dashboard indicator, you look at the trades with the one bar that just appeared, okay? Those are the ones that we want to be in because it just picked up that momentum, okay? So jump 25 index, you guys can see that it's a minimum lot size of 0.01. This one might be a bit heavy. I've traded this a few times, guys. So here you need to treat this like gold. Okay, let me see if my memory serves me correctly. So I'm gonna go in with a 0.5. This is a sell trade, guys. You guys can see that, guys. I don't have to explain the trades. It's there in front of the screen. There in front. Oh, this one is hectic, guys. This one is hectic. If you have a small account, be careful here. This one is hectic. Jump 25. Write it down, guys. This one, the pip value is high. This is like you can equate it to something like gold, NAS 100 and US 30. Okay, so just write it down somewhere that jump 25 is for the big boys. Okay, this is the one where you trade, high risk trading, and if the trade goes well, you make a lot of money. Okay, so this is one of those. It's one of those. So jump 25, guys. You need to have a controlled lot size here. Okay, so a 0.01 will probably get you. Let me see. If we take 500 divide by 50, guys, what is that? 500 divided by 50 is about 5, right? Nah, yeah. Hey, maths is not working out in our favor. But yeah. So the minimum lot size is 0.01. So sometimes you might not really know, how to do the calculations with the different lot size and the different synthetic indices, guys. So what I usually do is I open up the minimum lot size, so and then I drag the stop loss just so that I can see how much I'm risking, okay? And then if it's not too much or if it's too much, then I sometimes close the trade and then I reopen it with a manageable lot size, or I just jump in, look for an instrument with a lower pip value. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's keep going. That was jump 25. That's for the big boys. You don't just jump in there. You need to have protection. You need to wear your seatbelt when you're trading jump 25, guys. Just make a note. Just make a note there, guys. Okay. So jump 25, you need to wear a seatbelt. It's like riding in a fast car. You need to wear a seatbelt, guys. You need protection when you're riding. When you're riding on the jump 25, okay? I'm gonna keep repeating that until you get it. Ooh, here's another trade, guys. Jump 50. This is another one. Okay, this is another one. Um, I'm gonna I'm gonna test this with a 0.10. Okay, that's a 0.10 right there. Damn, bro, this is hectic. This is hectic, guys. Jump. Okay, let's just note this down. I'm gonna also start taking my own advice, guys. You know, so I'm gonna also get my notepad because I keep forgetting, you know, and I like to speed through these trades, eh? So just hold on, guys. I just wanna get a pen somewhere. I wanna remember this, okay? Because like every single day I'm trading different instruments, right? So let me just get my. I can't find a pen now. What the hell? I'm looking for a pen, guys. I can't find a pen. I see a pencil, but I can't find a pen. Okay. So jump 25, guys, is hectic. Okay. 0.10 is gonna kill you with a. If you're a small account holder, it's gonna destroy you. Okay. But they can make a lot of money. They can make a lot of money. They can make a shit ton of money, guys. Okay. They can make a lot of money. Okay. Um, we can't. Can we see the trades? But I'm showing them on the screen, guys. It's wait, let me see. Wait. This person might not be. Let me just see what. But it's there, guys. You can see. Look at the in the middle of the screen. You can see what chart this is. Ah, guys, come on now. It's right there, labeled for you on TikTok. You can see. Ah, these guys. Ah, dude. Nah, okay. Let me just make this note. So it was jump what? It's jump 25. Okay, and jump 50. Uh, 0.10 is crazy on this. 0.10 is crazy, right? Yeah, man. Mr. Van der Berg. You see what I'm dealing with, guys. Come on, guys. Please don't do this to me, right? It's right there, guys. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Okay, so if you guys are confused about which chart I'm looking at, if you're on TikTok, okay, you can't really see my entire screen, but you see where my crosshairs are right now. Okay, you can see down there where I'm pointing at right there. That's where you see what chart I'm on. Okay, so don't ask me what chart is this. It's written there. Okay, I'm not trying to be mean, guys. I'm just telling you because it's like you can't see. Okay, all right. So okay, the purpose of today is just basically execution of trades. You know how to execute the trades. Okay, that's the purpose. Somebody says discount for the indicator. Send me a DM. Send me a DM right now. Send me a DM right now, and then I'll respond to you. Send your boy a DM. Okay, so let's keep moving, guys. So that's jump 50. I'm trading on the H1 chart, guys. So I know a lot of you are gonna ask me which chart this is. This is H1. So usually I play around between the H1 and the 15 minute. Okay, sometimes I do the 5, right? But I usually play around with the 15 and the H1. All right. So I'm playing around with those charts, okay, guys? So just hold on. I also just want to respond to some DMs, okay? I also just want to respond to some DMs because you guys are DMing me right now while I'm live, okay? Just hold on, guys. Just hold on, guys. Just hold on, guys. Hey, also join for those of you guys who just joined us on TikTok. If you also want to see more of our posts and things like that, please join our Telegram channel. We have a free channel you guys can join. The link is in our description. Again, the link is in our description, and you guys can just join the community on Telegram. Okay. This is on MT5, and then this is there is a MetaTrader 4 version. So if you don't have MetaTrader 5, there is a version for MetaTrader 4. Okay, wait, hold on, guys. I just wanna. So one part trades are pretty good, um, but it also depends also on the trend as well. Okay, so if the price is clearly in a downtrend or an uptrend, that's what you're looking for. Okay. Hey guys, you know, it's very difficult to actually look at all these messages at the same time. Okay. All right. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So right now we are on jump 50. Let's look at jump 75. Let's look at jump 75. Jump 75. Okay, good trade. Okay, the market is going up. But if we also look at the market flow smart meter, we can see that there's a bit of tug and war between the buyers and sellers. Okay, so for this one, we wouldn't really go with the big lot size because there's a stalemate between the buyers and sellers. So I would look, if I would normally use a 0.10, I'd go minimum lot size here. So I'm still getting in the trade. So it's a 0.01, getting in that buy trade. Okay, this one doesn't need a this one, okay, jump. Write this down as well, guys. Jump 75 needs a big lot size, okay? It needs a big lot size, right? Jump 75 needs a big lot size, so something like 1.0. Okay, it won't hurt. 1.0 won't hurt. Because if you go with the minimum lot size, you're looking at cents. You know, we're not trying to make sense here, guys. Okay? We're trying to make sense. You know what I mean? Okay, let me keep going. Let me not make these bad jokes. Okay, so jump 75 index um, can also be traded on the small accounts as well. Okay, so let me just keep going. So we're done with the jump indices. So if you really, really want to make money, jump 25, jump 50, those are the ones that are heavy hitters. Think of it like you're trading gold. Hey, that lot size. Hey, if you're not careful, that's crazy. Okay. All right, let's keep going. We looked at jump 75. I'll look at okay, I'll look at 5 charts, guys, and then I'll look at the comments, okay? Just so that we keep on like on the same page. Okay, so there's several signals, guys, right? Like I mean there's 34 signals right now. We're currently on chart number 13. I'm actually not gonna look at all of them, you know, because I can't you know, I can't use up my free margin like that. You know, I have to be hey, because some of these trades, like when you open up with the lot size, hey, the it chows your margin. You know what I mean? So it chows your margin some more. Like that jump 25 took me by surprise, guys, because I opened as a point 0.5, right? The stop loss hit. If the stop loss hits there, I'm losing 500. All right. So that's how crazy it is. Okay. Somebody texted me on WhatsApp. Let me see, guys. I installed V8. Okay, guys, I'm gonna respond to your WhatsApp messages. Okay, just after this. Okay, just after this. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. Let's go for. Let's keep going. Let's just keep the pace up. Okay. Let's keep the voice. Okay, somebody's asking what am I trading? It's there on the screen. TikTok. You guys see this? It's there, guys. Guys, am I gonna repeat this all the time, guys? Probably. You know. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Let me not get impatient. It's all right. Ooh, yeah. Okay, okay. Volatility 150. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna execute on trades with a 20% lead. Okay, so if it's a buy signal, I want a 20% lead on the smart meter. Okay, because I want to open up sizable contracts, right? So um I'm just gonna pass these ones, but they still good trades as well. You know, volatility 150 as well as a sell signal right there. Minimum lot size 1.0. So, but I'm skipping this one. I'm looking for better trades, right? I want trades with momentum. Okay, I am looking for momentum. And how do I know that there's momentum? Is the 20% lead. So when I see the 20% lead, I'll show you guys I'll show you what I mean. Okay, this is also a good trade, but I'm skipping it. That step 300 is a buy signal. You see, guys, just by looking at the chart, you know what's happening with the market. It's going up. You know, that's what we want. You know, that's what we want. We don't want to be confused. We want to know what's going on in the markets, you know? So let me just see, guys. DEX 1500. Let's see. I see something that I love to trade, guys. Exponential growth. Hey, that thing pays when it moves, eh? That thing pays when it moves. That thing pays when it moves, guys. All right. So just hold on, guys. I'm looking for trades right now. I'm looking for trades right now. Okay, let me see. Let me see what this is. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. There's somebody I need to help real quick. Okay, just hold on, guys. I'm gonna just move and go to DEX. Wait. Let's see these two. This is what I'm talking about. Exponential. This is a good trade right here. Why am I saying it's a good trade? Right. First of all, the signals dashboard has found the signal, right? And then if we look at the smart meter, guys, we can clearly see that the buyers are in control here. Okay? Buyers are in control 74% over 25%. I'm going in here. Minimum lot size is 0.01. But hey, lot size, guys. Hey, here you need to be test the water, guys, before you jump in. Okay, test the water. You see what I mean? This thing is crazy. It's insane. Okay, here, be careful, guys. This is not for, you know, like for small account, just play with the minimum lots, guys. Just play with the minimum lots. Yeah. Hey, yeah. This thing is wild. Exponential growth. But if it moves, it's gonna do good. Oh goodness, there's someone who's spamming my chat. Oh my goodness. Do you trade CFD? Yes, I do, but it's the weekend right now. Because it's weekend, we trade synthetic indices. But right now, guys, I just most of the time I've been trading synthetic indices because of the flexibility, guys. Okay, I've been trading synthetic indices because of the flexibility. So, guys, I just need to just do something real quick on somebody else's PC. Somebody just asked me for support, so I just have to quickly help them to install. Okay, I just have to help them install real quick. Guys, I'm not on. Oh shit. I'm not on what is this MQL5? I'm not on there yet. Okay, but I will be. I'm just checking how I can actually get on there. You know, probably probably I will be PVP man. Damn. Man. Show me the password again. Show me the password again. So yeah. So soon we're gonna be on this thing, guys. We're gonna be on oh we profiting. Okay guys, while I'm talking about the buys and sellers, why is it important, guys? Okay, that we also know how many buyers and sellers are in the market, right? The reason is we want to trade in the direction of the momentum. You'll find that when you trade in the direction of the momentum, it doesn't take that long for the trade to develop and go into your direction. Okay, so it just increases your um, win probability rate. Okay, so that's what we're trying to achieve with the buyers and sellers indicator. Okay, on top of the dashboard indicator, which is insane. Okay, and then if you don't have the dashboard indicator, right? If you don't have the dashboard indicator, you can use the smart meter with the market scanner. You remember the indicator before the dashboard indicator, right? You can actually use this with that as well, right? And even our older indicators as well. You know, you can actually pair them together and then you can have something powerful right there. Okay. So this is pretty cool, guys. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. No repaints. Okay. I'm just waiting for someone to respond to my message right now. He's not responding. Oh goodness. Guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. So this is the you see, guys, you see what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, you see what I'm talking about. The trade. the password again. All right. You see what I'm talking about? The market is moving right now. Okay. So this is how we also trade on gold, guys. Just like that. Look at that. Very beautiful. Isn't that a nice entry right there? Like we didn't have, you don't actually have to have extra skills, guys. You just look at this and try and see what wagwan. You know what I mean? Oh wait, I mean. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, let me close this. What is this? Close that shit. What the hell? Okay, I see what the issue is here. Hey guys, but I wish people could follow instructions, bro. I really wish they could, but it's like a lot of them can't. Okay, a lot of people can't follow instructions. Oh goodness. Let's see, and then export this, export. But anyways, I'm the expert when it comes to trading. You know what I mean? I'm the expert. What are you trading right now? It's exponential growth. We're on exponential growth right now. You let your trades run till TP. Well, I just let them run, you know. Sometimes till TP and beyond. But also as a trader, guys, you know, it's not only about finding the trades, but also you need to know what to do. I feel like I say this all the time, but I have to keep saying it, right? You need to know what to do when the trades are in profit. Okay, so you need to also just basically also use trailing stops as well. Okay, trailing stops will help you. All right, I'm looking for this. Man, I'm looking for this. You need to use trailing stops. You need to um, use what you call stop losses, you know, all that good stuff to secure profits. You need tactics basically, guys. When you're trading, you need to use tactics. Okay, you need to be very, very smart, right? You need to be very, very smart when you're trading. I'm trying to do something right now. I'm trying to multitask, guys, but it's not working. Can you email me? Let's try. Okay. Would you be willing to give it to someone to know? Look, if you want to see what we do, just go to my YouTube channel, just watch. If you can't buy right now, you can just simply just follow us. Okay? Just follow me um when I'm on live like this. I always use the indicator. Okay? Alright guys. I'm coming for this software. Nah, that's what I wanna hear, dude. Just send me a DM, bro. Just send me a DM, bro. Send me send me a DM, bro. Send me a DM, bro. Proton. Okay, while this person is sorting that out. Okay, this trade is in profit, guys. You guys can see that. Okay, still in profit. Just gonna allow this one to run. Let's see if we can't get a better trade as well. So the key, guys, is we're looking for 20% lead. Okay. Did we look at jump 100? Let me see my notebook. Let me see my notebook, guys. Did we look at jump 100? Somebody remind me. Let me see. Yeah, I was writing. No, we looked at jump 75. We didn't look at jump 100. So I see something on there. So let's just see. Okay, a bit of a stalemate. We're moving past. We're looking for 20% lead. Let's go for skew step index. Did we look at that? Guys, remind me. Skew step index 4 up. Hey, these funny names, bro. Okay, we're almost at TP1. Let's see if we can't find a trade which we can still ride for TP1. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's look at DEX 600. DEX 600. DEX 600. Okay, not enough power for me right now. Let's look at DEX 1500. Okay, DEX 1500. Okay, this one is good as well. We could take this one. Minimum lot size is 0.01. I'm jumping in on this one. Putting my stop, going for TP3. Let me see. Okay, the lots are not too bad. The pip value is not too bad here. So I'm just going to allow this one to run. That's the DEX 1500 index. There's a lot of the guys. There's just too many signals right now. There's too many signals right now. There's a lot of them. A lot of signals in the market right now, guys. Too many. There's actually too much. You know, there's a lot. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys on Telegram, guys on TikTok, click the link in my profile bio to join the Telegram channel. Which time frame are you using? I'm using the H1 chart. Okay, I'm using the H1 chart right now. Okay, let me look at my YouTube. Somebody was laughing at my maths, guys. The thing is, I I was focusing too much on the charts. Okay, so that's why I couldn't count. You know, so I'm trying to count, guys. Okay, I'm trying to count, right? But like my mind is all over the place, guys. I can't multitask, guys. It's not God won't give you everything. You know what I mean, guys? You're gonna get everything, you know? Yeah, so at the same time, guys, I'm just trying to help one of my people to um, install the indicator, right? But I see what the issue was. So basically, guys, for those of you guys who recently got the signals dashboard, okay? So what you need to do is when you input the instruments that you wanted to scan, okay, you need to type it in exactly as it is in the broker, right? So if it's not the same in the broker, then it's not going to work, okay? So you need to like type it in exactly. So if it's like if gold is typed in as XAU USD with an M at the end, you need to add that M, okay? Guys, why are you asking for a discount on the chat? Why don't you text me? If you're serious, you'll text me. But right now, you're not showing that you're serious. Right? If you're serious, you're gonna text. If you're not, leave me alone. Okay, just hold on, guys. I'm just trying to do something real quick in the back. I'll be with you guys. Don't worry. I'm with you. I'm with you guys. I'm with you guys. Okay? I'm with you. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. All right. So let's keep going. So this is actually DEX. The lead is good. That's why we jumped in. We're good. So let's go to something else right now. Let's go to drift switch. Let's look at drift switch right now. The lead is not too strong, bro. The lead is not too strong. Where am I from? South Africa. From South Africa. Zuid Africa. Zuid Africa. Right? That's where I'm from. Okay, wait, guys. Let me try get I'm gonna take one more trade, guys. Right, just one more trade. If I can find one, I'm gonna take another one. Okay. Okay, the lead is not that strong here, but we're gonna take. Okay, wait. Let's look at the signal at the bottom. Okay, we might come back to this chart right now, but let's look at this one right here. Okay, now we can choose which one we want actually here. We can choose. Let me see. What else do we have? What else do we have? Volume over boom 750. What's going on? Very nice. We jumping in here. We jumping in here, guys. We jumping in here. I'm jumping in. Why am I saying we? I'm jumping in here. Volume over boom. Sell trade right there. I don't really have to explain much, guys. You can see everything is just it explains itself. Okay. You can just see what I'm doing. If I'm selling, it's very clear why. Okay, who doesn't understand why? The indicator is 119 USD currently on promo. Okay, the it's currently on promo. Okay, all right, guys. I see crash 150. I see crash 150. Let's see what's happening on crash 150. Ah, jumping in. We're moving out that one. No, no, no. We're not jumping in on that one. I see one more, guys. Let's just get one more good one. One more good one. Okay, just one more. Then we're good. Ah, I don't want to go to crypto. Pin your phone up. DM me, brother. DM me. Just DM me. TikTok doesn't want us to um, send our phone numbers on the chats. Okay, so they don't really allow that. I've had plenty of accounts taken down on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, so I kind of know what they don't want right now. I'm not trying to get my account taken down. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what's up, guys. I'm not trying to get my shit taken down. Okay, not trying to get my shit taken down. So let me see here. They didn't really copy this. Okay, copy. Okay, I'm back. Notepad. The notepad. Let me see. There's this new remote desktop app that I found, which doesn't really want me to pay much, so I'm pretty happy about that. What is this one? Uh, what is it again? AnyDesk, because I use it a lot, guys. TeamViewer, AnyDesk, I use them a lot, and they wanted me to, you know, upgrade the license, of which I did, but it's pretty heavy. I deal with quite a number of people on like a daily basis. Okay, so I constantly need to, do remote connections like a lot. Okay, so then yeah, that's what's up. Hey guys, so we've got those still saving up for the indicator. What's the minimum amount you to trace after you get the indicator? What? Wait, I think that's a typo. What's the minimum amount you can trade? So you can basically use any amount because it's a manual trading system. So you control how much you trade. Okay, how much you want to trade and risk. It's up to you. You can use any amount that you can. Okay. Yes, the indicator is still 1,900. Any desk is the best you can operate on. So yes, any desk is the one that I was using, but right now I use Rust desk. Okay, that's the easiest one that I have right now. Okay. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna disconnect. There's something I need to do. I'll be back, but we've got quite a number of trades, so we'll see how they do in a few hours. Let me see if there's nothing else, guys. Spot up. Okay, wait. There's one more trade that I just saw right now. Spot up index. Let's see. I'm jumping in on this one. This is the last one I'm jumping into, guys. Spot up index. I trade. Uh, the buys and sellers isn't really that convincing right now, but it's good enough. Okay, the price action is pretty good. We're currently in a pullback. It looks like a pullback. I'm looking at the market right now, the market structure. So it's pretty good. Retrace on a support level. What else do you want? What else do you want? What else do you want, baby? Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a break, guys. Okay, I might be back in a few hours. Okay, just look out for me at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I might be back here. Okay. Wait, before I go, let me just look at my. Wait, let me look at my what is this? Let me see. Perfectly clear. Maps already trading. Does the indicator work on currency? Yes, works on currency as well. Why is the buyers and sellers meter only available for a short time period? It's a demo. It's a demo, brother. It's just showing you guys if you want it. It's a demo. Okay? It's a demo. That's why it's only available for a short time. It doesn't come with the V8 indicator. It's a separate indicator, right? Would you consider $100? Just send me guys. For those of you guys who are busy asking for discounts, just send me a DM. Okay. Somebody said I sent you a message. Okay. All right, guys. We're closing the stream right now. I think we've been live. Let me see how long we've been. We've been live. Okay, not for too long. 45 minutes. We've got about 11 people or 49 people on YouTube. And then we have, how many people do we have on TikTok? TikTok says we've got 14 people, but 286 people have seen our live stream. Okay. So, anyways, guys, we're disconnecting right now. Thank you so much for joining up on the stream. If you want the indicators, just send me a DM for more information. Click the link on the description or in my bio to get into contact with us. See you guys on the next one. Take care, guys. Good luck trading.